welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern outdoor kitchen with a sleek design, featuring a combination of dark wood and concrete materials. The setting showcases a spacious and elegant space surrounded by lush greenery, with various tropical plants creating an inviting atmosphere. A sunlit outdoor kitchen and dining area, set in a rustic stone villa surrounded by lush green hills. The scene features terracotta tiles underfoot, with a large wooden dining table surrounded by black metal chairs. An elegant stainless steel barbecue grill sits to the side, contrasting with the natural materials. Olive trees offer shade, while various herb and vegetable patches are neatly arranged around the patio. Kitchen scene featuring a rustic, earthy aesthetic with a backdrop of an abundance of lush green herbs and plants. The structure has warm wooden textures, curved lines, and natural materials, creating an inviting atmosphere. A contemporary black oven sits beneath a sleek hood, flanked by open shelves filled with vibrant pots of herbs. The floor is covered in rich, warm-toned tiles, while a simple wooden table complements the kitchen setup. A serene outdoor kitchen tucked beneath a wooden pergola adorned with lush green grapevines, evoking a sense of rustic charm and tranquility. The scene features a stylish black marble island at the center, complemented by sleek metal stools. The surrounding cabinetry, crafted from rich wood, radiates warmth, illuminated by soft golden lighting that enhances the cozy ambience. A serene outdoor living space featuring a modern, minimalist kitchen and dining area. The design incorporates an inviting blend of natural materials, including a rustic stone wall and sleek, smooth concrete surfaces. Fashionable, oversized cushions in soft gray line the seating area, complemented by a low wooden table made of reclaimed wood. Surrounding the space, vibrant lavender plants bloom, adding splashes of rich purple against the neutral tones of the gravel ground. A serene outdoor dining area set in a Mediterranean garden, featuring a rustic wooden table surrounded by matching chairs. The space is covered by a pergola adorned with vibrant pink bougainvillea cascading over the edges, creating a lush and inviting atmosphere. The floor is made of warm, terracotta tiles, enhancing the earthy feel of the setting. Surrounding potted plants filled with a variety of colorful flowers add to the charm, while an outdoor kitchen area is visible in the background, showcasing wooden shelves stocked with pottery and kitchenware. Scenic outdoor kitchen with rustic stone walls and a terracotta roof, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant lavender flowers, winding cobblestone path leading to the kitchen, warm earthy tones of the bricks contrasting with cool purples of the lavender, soft natural light filtering through the trees, impressionistic style with a focus on color harmony and serenity, tranquil atmosphere, inviting and well-maintained garden setting, detailed textures of the stones and blooms, emphasizing the beauty of nature in a domestic space. A rustic outdoor kitchen set under a spacious stone gazebo, featuring a sleek black countertop and wooden stools. The scene is surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant wildflowers in shades of orange and purple, creating a lively garden atmosphere. The flooring is made of natural stone slabs, leading towards the kitchen area. Soft, diffused lighting illuminates the space, enhancing the warm, inviting feeling of the setting. The overall aesthetic is a blend of rustic charm and modern elegance, with an emphasis on natural materials and a harmonious connection to the surrounding landscape. A modern outdoor kitchen set in a serene garden at dusk, featuring a stone fireplace with a warm, flickering fire. The structure incorporates sleek black cabinetry, a stainless steel grill, and an expansive concrete countertop adorned with fresh vegetables and cooking utensils. Lush green herbs and vibrant flowers surround the area, creating a vibrant contrast against the soft gray tones of the paving stones. A rustic, open-air kitchen bathed in warm, natural light, reminiscent of an Impressionist painting. The setting features a stone wall adorned with lush green vines cascading down from a wooden pergola. The central focus is a large wooden table laden with bright orange and yellow citrus fruits, surrounded by potted herbs and an array of kitchen tools. A traditional oven with a stucco finish sits beneath a wooden arch, with shelves displaying assorted glassware and bottles. A serene modern outdoor kitchen surrounded by lush greenery, featuring floor-to-ceiling glass walls and a sleek black structure. The setting includes a tranquil koi pond with vibrant orange and white fish swimming among smooth stones and aquatic plants. A soft waterfall cascades into the pond, enhancing the calming atmosphere. The kitchen interior showcases warm wooden elements and built-in greenery, illuminated by soft ambient lighting. A cozy seating area with comfortable chairs and an umbrella is visible nearby.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.